no matter if I'm hauling my gear, mounting a tent, or just need to add some serious functionality to my ride, the Deezee Hex Platform is here to deliver. It's made from 2 3/4 inch aluminum tubing, and it has a tough textured black powder coat finish. It's built to take on whatever I throw at it, and it'll keep looking great no matter how rough the road gets. The 3.5 inch deck rails can be positioned exactly where I need them, and the integrated T-slot channels are perfect for mounting accessories using an M8 bolt. And there's a T-channel in the exterior frame rail, so I can customize it to fit my exact needs no matter the situation. And check out these Hex Series tie downs. They're made from durable cast aluminum, and they have an impressive 250-pound capacity. I just have to slide them into any part of the T-channel extrusion, and I can easily set them at any point, no tools needed. The tie downs are versatile and reliable, ensuring my cargo stays firmly in place during every trip. And with 7 different sizes, there's a Hex platform for every truck. And with a 250-pound dynamic weight capacity and a 600-pound static weight limit, I can transport all my gear with confidence. So if I want a platform rack that's as functional as it is durable, it's going to be the Deezee Hex Platform Rack. If you want to know more about the Deezee Hex Platform Rack, check out Deezee.com.